Yes, thank you, Aurora. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for having us here today. It's a pleasure and a privilege to be here with all you talented entrepreneurs in the room. And I think that the fact that the room is full kind of indicates that besides the strong role of the US, that increasingly Europe and European centers are contributing to the value created in the web. I'm Michael Hacker. I'm a partner with Redline Capital. Let me give you upfront two main points about Redline Capital. Who are we? We're a London-based venture capital fund. We built a portfolio in the tech and digital space of around about 12 companies so far across the US, Europe, and Israel. What are we looking for? We're looking for the back entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs with large global ambitions, if possible, and entrepreneurs that are active in, as well as in the pre-revenue stage, and also in the revenue-generating space. How does that translate to you? Who are we? Let me give you a little bit background information. So we've been set up by an entrepreneur that built global companies, today listed in New York, in London, in the telecom space, in the banking space, microelectronics, IT infrastructure. So that defines a little bit our DNA technology, the technology DNA, our background in technology. It's an evergreen fund, meaning we are able and willing and we want to support companies along all the development cycle, from the earlier stages to really grabbing the full value of the development. It's an entrepreneurial team, my partners and me. Most of them, or all of them, with entrepreneurial and operational experience over years, bringing companies from smaller companies to bigger companies. And that brings some help, I believe, to the table that we want to bring to our portfolio companies. We've all been in situations where you meet pivotal moments, where there's surprising coming along the development cycle, and we want to share that experience with the companies with our portfolio companies. Another experience or another thing we want to share with our portfolio companies is the access to the network of global companies we have, whether it's in banking or telecom or other sectors, whether we bring customers to our portfolio companies or the access to know-how, to the innovation centers. That is something that we like to help with, and I think please do ask the founders of the portfolio companies where we invested in, and I think they will tell you that there is barely a moment where we haven't been able to support. What are we looking for? What companies are we looking for? We're not looking for companies, we're looking for entrepreneurs. We're looking for entrepreneurs that want to create value, transformative. If you look at our portfolio so far, it is mostly built in the B2B space. It's built in the enterprise software space, infrastructure, big data, data analytics, cybersecurity, fintech. But we're not dogmatic about that. We're also open and looking for value creation in the B2C space. We've done tickets, pretty much everything from 1 to 40 million. And we like to lead rounds. We're not religious about leading rounds. And as said earlier, we like to really follow up over a long development cycle. Sometimes it comes differently. We just sold a company or one of our portfolio companies was just sold to eBay recently. But usually we like to really support entrepreneurs along the full development cycle. And most of all, we like our entrepreneurs to think big, to think global, to think ambitious in large, scalable markets. And I think Amsterdam Amsterdam's always been a place where over hundreds of years, many centuries, people have started to leave this little place here and go out there over the global oceans to other places. So I think it's a fantastic hub for starting big businesses and to embark on long journeys. And I'm very happily looking forward to meet as many as possible of you today in the afternoon, and maybe to embark on a long global journey with some of you. Thank you very much.